Ghana's annual inflation rate climbed to its highest in 8 months in December, reducing the prospects of an interest rate cut later this month. Consumer prices rose 23.8%, up from a 23% reading in November. Joining us now is Bloomberg's Ondiro Oganga. So, Ondiro, break this data down for us. Why are we seeing inflation rising again after it was cooling down? And what interventions then might this prompt from the central bank?
Hi, Christine. So if you listen to the government statistician, he attributes the stubborn inflation to fluctuating food prices early along. Then you have the central bank also saying a stronger dollar, geopolitical tension and trade protectionism are some of the factors that have been affecting food prices and also energy prices in Ghana. And for this reason, the country meets its inflation target of 20%, with inflation averaging 23% in 2024. We saw the central bank during their last MPC meeting pause their cut cycle, holding rates at 27%. After cutting by 200 basis points in September, and inflation is expected to cool down to about 6 to 10%, but that's later on in the fourth quarter of 2025. In the interim, an economist tells Bloomberg it's too early to call what the central bank is going to do this year because, again, a new government has taken over power. The economic management strategy is still unknown, but also important to remember that Ghana is still under an IMF program, and part of those conditionalities is maintaining a tight monetary policy stance in order to manage inflation.
So you mentioned that the new government strategy is unknown. The new president that has come in, how does he kind of turn the fate around for this economy? What is the reality of his ability to do that?
Christine, during President John Mahama's inauguration speech, he almost gave us a glimpse into what his administration is going to look like and what he's going to do. He's saying he's ready to take the responsibility and solve Ghana's problems, and he's going to do that through creating a favorable business environment to attract investment in the country, promote efficiency and effectiveness in government, and also tackle corruption. But an uphill task awaits him. This is an economy that is crashing under the crippling weight of debt. Unemployment is above 20%, and also inflation peaked at 54.1% in 2022. And this is some of the factors that decided the election, and we saw that resounding defeat for the previous administration. And it goes to show that bread and butter issues are top of mind for the electorate. So the new president has a very short window to start turning things around, unless he too will lose goodwill with the public.